Hi guys, so I've been asked by quite a few people how to find the credentials on the digital black. So here's the digital black. If we go close to it, you'll see that it wakes up. The way to find this is, if you can see the top right hand corner of the screen, now if I just zoom in, it's not the top right hand corner altogether, but it's the top right hand corner of the usable screen. So there it is. So if I triple tap, I'm just going to move my head to one side so I can see it. If you triple tap, 1, 2, 3, you'll see that this screen comes up, and this gives you the MAC address of the device, the software version that it's currently on, the IP address of it, and of course the Wi-Fi signal strength. If you ever needed to factory default this, then the way you do that is you triple tap the IP address, tap, 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 and then that will ask you if you want a factory reset. Okay, so that you shouldn't need to do that, but these are just a few little shortcuts to how to get into the actual settings of the digital black. So I'm just going to come back out of it there, and there we go.